Welcome to our next geometry adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of rigid transformations. So, what exactly is a transformation in math? It's when we change a shape's position or the direction it points. Imagine sliding, turning, or flipping a shape on a piece of paper. There are three main types of transformations that keep the shape, size, and angles the same. These are called rigid transformations. First up, translations. This is when you move the shape from one place to another without turning it. Think of sliding a book across your desk. It's the same book, just in a different spot. Next, we have rotations. This is when you turn the shape around a point. Imagine spinning a wheel. Each point on the wheel moves around the center, but the wheel stays the same size. And finally, reflections. This is when you flip the shape over a line, like looking at yourself in a mirror. The shape looks the same, but it's reversed. With rigid transformations, the shape, size, angles, and overall structure don't change. Only its position or orientation does. The original shape is called the pre-image, and the new shape is called the image. Rigid transformations help us understand how shapes move and interact in space without altering their size or shape. Stay tuned, and we'll explore each transformation in detail with fun examples. Thanks for watching, and keep transforming your knowledge.